Hello guys, I am from Gogras Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about one question related to relation and function of NCERT 12th Maths. The question is question number 9, exercise 1.2 equal to let f is to capital N goes to capital N be defined by Fn equal to curly bracket n plus 1 whole over 2 comma if n is odd, n over 2 comma if n is even. For all small n belong to capital N, state whether the function f is onto comma 1 1 or bisecting. So this is the question which I have taken from exercise 1.2 chapter 1 relation functions of NCERT 12th maths. Now come out to solution here. Here it says for all small n belong to capital N. So here I shall write for small n, for all small n belong to capital N. This means that here I am going to define capital N. Capital N equal to the set of natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is capital N here. So here I can write capital N equal to in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. So here I have defined the set capital N equal to in curly bracket 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 10, comma. So capital N is the set of natural number I have defined. Here it says what the value of small n will be. Here it says for all small n belong to capital N. This means that small n will be taken from these members. The value of small n can be written as, hence small n can be 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of small n can be taken n equal to 1 or n equal to 2 or n equal to 3 or n equal to 4. Because here small n belong to capital N. The set of capital N is here I have defined. The set of natural number. Now here it says f is a function given, here I shall write, given f is a function from capital N goes to capital N. Here you can see this capital N, here is domain. Here this capital N is codomain. Here you can see f is a function from capital N goes to capital N. Here this N is domain, here this N is codomain. This means that the image of small n belong to capital N goes to small n belong to capital N. So here you can see domain and codomain will be the same, because here if I take small n belong to capital N, the image of small n will be small n belong to capital N, that is codomain. The image of small n belong to capital N is small n capital N. So this is the case I have taken. So what to do in this case? For 1 you have to verify here. Here I shall write for 1. For 1 I am going to write the proper thing here. You can see for 1. For 1 I can write, let here small n equal to 1. So here I can take small n. Here I can take, let n equal to 1 belong to capital N, that is domain. So here this is domain. This is domain. So here you can see n equal to 1. So n equal to 1 is odd. Since small n equal to 1 is odd, this is odd. This means that if you take this statement, hence I can write, hence fn equal to small n is odd, I shall take here n is odd. N is odd, I shall take this function fn equal to n plus 1 over 2, because here n is odd. N equal to 1 is odd here. So here I shall take, hence n plus 1 over 2. This will become, because here I have let, for 1 I have let small n equal to 1 belong to capital N, that is domain. So since n equal to 1 is odd, so here it taken n is odd, n equal to 1. N equal to 1 is odd, so here n is odd, because 1 is odd here, n is odd here. So that's why fn equal to n plus 1 over 2 will be taken. So what to do here? Put the value of, so here I can write, put the value of n equal to 1. So here you can write f of 1 equal to, here value of n equal to 1 we put here. So here we will put 1 plus 1 bata 2, implies that f 1 equal to 2 bata 2, implies that image of 1 equal to 1. So here we have got image of 1. Now come out to next here. Again I shall write here, let n equal to 2, n equal to 2 belong to capital N, that is domain. Here I have let n equal to 2 belong to capital N, that is domain. Capital N is the set of natural number. Here 2 is natural number. 10 is equal to 2 I have taken. So here you can see n is domain, n is here, n equal to 2. So since n equal to 2 is even here, since n equal to 2 is even here, so what you will do here? You will take the function where n equal to 2, that is even function I shall take here. So here I shall take, hence f n equal to n plus 2 I shall take. So what will become? Put the value of n equal to 2 here. I shall put here f of 2 equal to 2 bata 2. So you will get here f2 equal to 1. f2, here you will get f2 equal to 1. So here I have let n belong to n equal to 1 belong to capital N dirty domain. So I have got image of 1 equal to 1. If I take n equal to 2, that is n equal to 2, 2 is here even. So I shall take even function here, fn equal to n by 2 I have taken. Image of 2 will be 1. So here you have got, if you make the figure, here you have got, here we have got if image of 1 is 1 as image of 2 is 1. So if you make diagram of this one, you can make diagram like this. Like this diagram can be made. Here I am going to make the diagram. Here you can see the diagram. This is the function related to, this is set capital N, here set capital N. So here you can see image of 1 is 1. The image of 1 is 1. And here it says image of 2. The image of 2 is also 1. So here you can see this one. So here you can see. So here you can see image of 1 is 1 here. Image of 2 is 1 here. So this is domain. This is codomain. So here you can see this function is minimal function. So since hence you can write, hence image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 1. So here I have made a diagram here. Image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 1 here. So this function is minimum function. Hence f is many one function and f is not one function. This I have proved that f is not one function. Here f is many one function. So this is the one case I have proved here. For the case number 2, that is unto, I have to prove here for unto. So what will be the case for the unto? We have to see. So here I am going to underline here. I have here I have proved f is not one function. F is many one function. So here I am going to prove whether f is onto function or not. So for onto, what will do? For onto what will do? Let small n belong to capital N, that is codomain. Codomain. For onto I have let this one. Codomain. Small n belong to codomain. So in this case there will be two cases when n is odd. So here I shall discuss case number 1. case number 1 will be case 1 when small n is odd. When case number 1, case that is Roman 1, you can write here Roman 1. Case Roman 1, when n is odd, the I shall get defined n is odd because here given n is odd. So what the value of n will be? So here I shall get the value of n defined as n equal to 2r plus 1, where small r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 and so on. So here I have let n equal to 2r plus 1. If you put the value of r equal to 0 here, so 2 will multiply to 0. It will become 0 plus 1, you will get n equal to 1. The n will be odd. If you put here 1, value of r equal to 1. So 2 will multiply to 1, you will get here 2. 2 plus 1, you will get here 3. 3 will be odd. If you will put the value here r equal to 2, so 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, the value of n you will get 5, that is odd. So if you write this statement, n equal to 2r plus 1, n will be odd. So what we will do in this case? So here I have let small n belong to capital N, that is codomain in this case. So what we will do? Here I shall put the value. Hence I can write hence it will become hence 2r plus 1. Hence 2r plus 1 belong to capital N. So here I hence 2r plus 1 belong to capital N, where capital N is codomain. Where capital N is codomain. Capital N is codomain. So what we will do in this case? Capital N is codomain. Then there exists then there exists small n that is belong to capital N domain. Then there exists, here I shall write, then there exists small n belong to capital N deity domain, such that if n equal to y. So y, if n equal to y, the value of y will be 2r value of y equal to here I shall write due to some technical issue today lectures on question 9 exercise 1.2 is over. Now I have completed the solution and proper explanation of this question up to 80%. Only 20% it is left. One day I shall explain this video in detail. Okay, thanks.